Morning all. Today's job is cast iron radiators. A little while ago, a couple of years ago, I bought a couple of reclaimed cast iron radiators, not the big old school style, smaller ones, but 3-column, I think 10 or 11 section radiators, and bought 2 of them, stripped them, or chemical stripped them with nitrogen mortar that's now next to useless, then shot blasted them and primed them, painted them, bought new fittings for them, and they're now powered by in the house by the old coal Rayburn, and they're brilliant. They look lovely and they're old, which suits me. So I bought a third one, got from the reclamation yard, another same style, same manufacturer, and bought it, and thought I'd show you the process involved in, well, stripping them at the moment. So I'll talk you through what I've done so far, and I'll set you going on camera for this bit. First stage on these rads is to pressure wash them. I've got fairly powerful pressure washer, and it gets the worst of the not properly adhered paint off. The gloss paint is the fiddly stuff, that's the awkward stuff. Oh, we've got a cat. Hello, Dino. Oh, I think he likes his new sandpit, his new litter tray in there, which isn't going to happen. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear me here, but with a little Clark shot blaster, I'm filling it with recycled sand. Just eBay jobby. I struggled getting hold of it last week locally, so I think £15 for a 25kg sack. I bought 8 sacks, and it was, well, I don't know, a little over £100, but not a lot delivered. So I put about half a bag of this in. It'll last about 5 minutes. I'm going to reuse it. I've used one bag already. When I've got a couple of bags down on the floor, I'll scoop it up and filter it, put it back in. Can you say what model number it is? No, probably does somewhere. XHSB10 from Machine Mark, but it's quite good. I quite like it anyway. So I've moved the radiator around, so hopefully you might be able to see a bit better what I'm doing. Right then, after about 3 hours or something, quite a long time, finished the shop blasting. I've put the end fittings in, the eBay specials, but they're good. They turn these, whatever they are, I think they're 1¼ inch tapered thread to 1/2 inch BSP for the brass radiator taps I buy. So I've fitted them, I've PTFE'd them, and I've used some LSX sort of sealing compound just to make sure. Used that setup last time and it was good. So I've bunged the threads. I'm going to blow it off with an air gun, get rid of any shot anywhere that shouldn't be, and then I'll set you on time lapse for a coat of primer. See you in a bit. Right, primer. Halford's etch primer seems to be seems to work well. It's cast iron, so it's a little bit, not quite normal, but I will. There we go. Actually, I need to flip this round. I'm going to do the bottom first. Junk in there. Wasn't expecting that. Right, so Right, that's the priming done. So next coat is top coat black tomorrow. I've used 3 cans of primer, got another one, and black coat, satin black tomorrow, and then I can fit the valves and stuff and show you it all, well, say up and running. I haven't lit the Rayburn yet for the winter, so that'll probably come in the next month when the temperature drops a bit. It adds about 15 degrees to the temperature, so it needs to be pretty cold for me to light it, otherwise I'm too hot now, so it's one of them. Just need to pick a day and stick with it, really. Right, I will leave you be and see you tomorrow for the top coat black. Right, time for a top coat. Primer's been on about 2 hours, so satin black. Going to be 3 or 4 coats of black.